Hey everyone, how's it going? I was curious to see how all three of my drones, the Parrot Anafi, the Mavic Mini, and the Mavic Air 2 would do in low light situations during the nighttime, especially because all of the sensors are fairly small, about a half inch or smaller. So I found a field with some lighting, and I did this, you'll see with the Parrot Anafi, then the Mavic Mini, and the Mavic Air 2 in that order. First, I did a comparison not side by side, and I sped these up 2 times. And then after these, you'll see that I did another one not sped up in real time, side by side. Next up is the Mavic Mini. I'll let you all make your own judgments, and I'm curious to hear what you think if you want to post them below. But to me, this seemed a little less grainy and a little brighter. For me, I was also able to make out a little bit more detail in the sides of the field, such as those the bins and the stands. Last but not least is the Mavic Air 2. To me, the green looks much deeper. It was also interesting to me because the light seems a little bit more even, but the dark on the sides, again, where the recycling bins are, and the stands also seem a little bit more dark. The field also has a very cool effect to it, but it almost doesn't seem real. Also, all of these are the default settings with no color grading. So this is just the default settings taken directly from the SD card. Oh, there was a park ranger there asking me a few questions about what I was doing, and when I told him I was flying a drone, he was very interested in hearing all about it. So that was a pretty cool experience, actually. And here, maybe a little easier to compare some of the details. To me, the Parrot Anafi, I think you can see the most, especially when you're looking on the sides of the field, but it also does seem a little bit grainy. To me, the Mavic Mini looks probably the brightest, but also perhaps the most uneven. And the Mavic Air 2 has a nice deep green to it, but the darks are really dark. It kind of just falls off, and you can't see anything. So I will let all of you decide what you think is the best between these three. Also, if you're interested in drone reviews and footage, don't forget to like or subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more comparison videos in the near future, including more range reviews, testing out extenders, and some wind comparison tests. I flew the Parrot a little quicker than the Mavics. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. I hope this video helped you make a decision on which drone is better during the nighttime, during low-level environments, at least for this specific environment. And if there's any comparison videos that you'd like to see, or if you have any thoughts on this one, just let me know, and I would love to hear what you think. Thanks.